You're having a problem where you're finding that your racks are moving out of position or hard to go in and out. If it's your upper rack that's giving you the problem, it may very well be the clips at the end of the rails. So to remove the clips at the end of your rails, first thing you want to do, of course, is open your door. And you want to just slide your rack and rails forward. And these end clips, and there's many different styles depending on your make and model of machine, but most of them will push up out of place, and there'll be a locking tab on them that you'll just push forward and then push the clip upwards to release it. So this is the tab I was pushing from the other side, and that allows it to slip up and out of place. Some machines will have a plastic tab on the side that you would have to pry and flip open, and then this would lift right out. But this is fairly common in today's world, and that's how you would remove the clip for your end rail.